Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the viewport under control. Make sure the 3D viewport is active and you can see the default cube. Use the middle mouse button to orbit. Scroll to zoom and shift plus middle mouse to pan. If you have a trackpad, use two-finger pan and pinch for zoom. Set selection to left-click in Preferences so you know what happens when you click. Once done, select the object. This allows subsequent tools to act on the chosen item immediately. Now move with intent. Press numpad 1, 3, 7 for orthographic views and 0 for the camera view so you know orientation. Use G to grab, R to rotate, and S to scale. Type X, Y, or Z after a transform to lock to that axis. Toggle between global and local transform orientations in the header because object behavior changes depending on pivot and orientation. Make sure to press Ctrl. To finish, switch viewport shading to check results. Wireframe for topology, solid for modeling, material for look, rendered for final lighting. Frame your selection with numpad period to center and press Alt plus G/C/R to reset transforms if things jump. If your controls stop working, make sure the gizmo is visible and you haven't locked transforms or parented the object unexpectedly. If the middle mouse doesn't orbit, confirm emulate 3-button mouse or check for OS-level mouse capture. Fix that and continue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.